Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to tell you about the new notification regarding the recruitment of EPFO post that has been notified by the UPSC. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. So UPSC today has notified a new notification regarding the recruitment test for 421 post of Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer in EPFO, that is Employee Provident Fund Organization. What is this notification is all about? What is this? We'll discuss further in this video. So friends, you have to first open the upsc.gov.in and then in the what's new section, when you will see on the scroll, you will find that it is written recruitment test 421 post of Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, EPFO. When you will click on this, there will be a new window which is going to be open, in which there would be a link. It is mentioned here, click here. When you will click this link, you will see there are various notification which has come in the so many days, but the latest notification is for the e-admit card. That is, admit card has been uploaded by the UPSC for the 421 post of Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer in EPFO. And to download the admit card, you have to click on this document link. Click here. When you will click here, there will be a new window which is going to be open for the Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, EPFO 2020. Year 2020, issue date 16/4/2021, that is today, and the end date is 9th of May 2021. And it is also mentioned that having technical problem in downloading the e-admit card, click here for instruction, technical instruction. In case of any problem in downloading e-admit card for the Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, EPFO 2020, or discrepancy noticed in the e-admit card, may please be informed in detail on email to web-upsc@nic.in for technical problem, to consider spc2.upsc@nic.in for applicant data problem. So friends, whosoever has applied and wanted their exam is on this date, you are requested to kindly download the e-admit card. And when you will click on download e-admit card, a new window will open, that is instruction. And when you will click, you have to click on have you read and taken the printout of the important instruction. If you want to read, you can if you want to take a print, you can take a print, otherwise you can read those instruction. When you will if you want to read those instruction, it will get open like this. It is very clearly written, check the e-admit card, all those things are there, that there will be a penalty, negative marking for wrong answers marked for a candidate in the recruitment test. Answer should be marked using black ball point pen only. And so all those candidates who are going to appear for the test, it is mentioned candidate to follow COVID-19 norms of social distancing as well as personal hygiene inside the room as well as premises of the venue. Candidates, however, will have to remove their mask for verification wherever required by the recruitment test functionaries. Candidate may carry his or her own hand sanitizer, small size in transparent bottle. And you should not be in possession of any electronic device, any material with you. Candidates are advised to enter the venue of the test center well in time for frisking. Please note that the entry for that venue test center shall be closed 10 minutes before the scheduled commencement of the recruitment test, that is 9:50 am, and no candidate be allowed the entry of the test after the closure of the venue. And e-admit card, carefully having discrepancy is any, you can send it to the email ID given. and you have to bring your original photo identity proof, viz. Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, voter ID, etc. 2 passport size photographs for appearing in the recruitment test with an undertaking. You have to carry your identity card, any identity card which is mentioned, your e-admit card, and 2 photographs compulsorily, along with the 1 ball black point pen, for which you have to answer the questions. The timetable and everything is given, which you can download from there, and then you have to click on yes. When you will click on yes, there will be a new window. It will be getting open like this, and anyone if having a registration ID, they can click on this, or application number, and if they know the roll number, then they can click on this. Normally everybody would be having the registration number or application number. So when you will click on this, you have to enter your registration number or application number, then your date of birth, then the confirm random image, and then you have to submit. Once you will submit, your admit card will going to be downloaded. Technical instruction, you can read it here. You have to carry this admit card, and also in case of any problem, technical problem, it is given web-upsc@nic.in, and for other problems you can mark a mail to sospc2@up.upsc@nic.in. Thank you friends, whosoever has applied for this post, kindly download your admit card, and best of luck for your exams. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.